Hi everyone. So in this video, I'm gonna explain about palindrome. I'll solve like how to create like palindrome function and explain with an example. So basically, so first I'll give an example like what is a palindrome. So palindrome means like simply if you reverse that string, so the value is same. So let us assume the example is madam. So if you reverse this string, like from this so from end this to this from left to right instead of that if you write this right to left still you get the same thing. So if you reverse it you got the same value as madam. So that is the example. So another example is like Malayalam. So these things, so if you reverse the words we'll get the same word, then that is nothing but a palindrome. So we'll create one thing like def check palindrome. So we'll take one input string, like we need some text input. Uh, After that, we are just checking like if whatever text input the individual given, whether if it is equal to text input of that reversal. The reversal logic is this. If both matches, then you have to print it as text input is palindrome. Text input comma is a palindrome, else print text input not palindrome. So I can write this function, like I can directly call this function because I given the print statement above only. So check palindrome, I can make this text input as same example like madam. Okay, let me run this script. See, madam is a palindrome. Why? Because like if you run this thing, so you'll get the same thing. Like if you reverse this thing, so you'll get the same. So that's why. Uh, let's assume like instead of madam, you given Adam. So it's obviously it is not a palindrome. Why? Because if you reverse this thing, so you'll get the MADA. Then but we given ADAM, so that is not true. So that is the and I'll explain one more example. Like I'll give one more different thing. So suppose if you want to find the length of the given string, like length of the text, there is a method known as len. So using that you can find. So let we comment this thing, and after that, suppose we have some variable known as var equal to something like let's take madam only. So here the length of this entire string is like 5. So if you want to check this, print len is a method name len of where now run this thing. So see you can get the value as 5. So in this way, using this function, like you can understand, like you can find like what is the length of the particular string and etc. So I hope you learned something new. So I'll cover some more string problems in the upcoming videos. Thank you.